Hi friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech and Creatives. Guys, how are you? I hope all are you good. Guys, today topic is these are all today I will discuss about. Today topic is Jenkins parameterized builds. What is the use of Jenkins parameterized builds? What is Jenkins parameterized builds? When will you use the parameterized builds? How to run the different environments and how to configure the Jenkins server, and these are all topics will be discussed in today. Guys, this is a real-time scenario. I will discuss it. There is most important purpose. For example, what is first of all discussed about what is parameters. Build parameters can be used to store configurations options. Can configure the all the data will be stored, and different commits and different environmental configurations will be stored in the all the data will be stored in parameters. Will be using the particular scenario will be discussed about. This option data that should be not a live in source code. There are different types of parameters. I will show you that definitely in string parameter, boolean parameters, and git parameters. I will show that definitely each and everything. Okay. And another thing is when we'll use the parameterized builds. For example, there is a real-time scenario. Please observe carefully how to configure. I will do the practical also. First of all, when we'll use the parameter plugin, um, you know in git tags, right? Git tags. What is the use of git tags? Git tags is a mainly use of release a particular version of the code. You can add the commit, you can identify the commit IDs. Then we'll be use the git tags in one of the topics in git section. The git section you can add the tags and particular version of the code. You can deploy the you can identify the commit IDs, and then will be store the all the commit IDs. You can add the version of the tags. We identify v1, v1.1, v1.0. These are point different versions. You can add this and different commit IDs. Then each time developer you can modify and commit the code. Also you can add the one version of the code. Then you can directly you can commit and push the my Bitbucket repository. My purpose you can take the that version of the that commit ID. You can add this. For example, there are multiple developers work on same projects. You can different developers you can change modifications and changes the code. I can store the in Bitbucket server. That way purpose you can add the different particular version of the commit IDs. You can on developer there are multiple commit IDs. You can modification changes. You can commit in my Bitbucket server. That's why adding. Yeah, that purpose you can add the identify the your commit IDs. For example, I'm working in master branch. My colleagues working in future branches. I will work in 10 or 20 commit IDs. I'm pushing my GitHub repository. Can add the versions of the each commit IDs. Will be easy to identify the each commit IDs. You can take the and you can take this commit. You can take the v1.1, v1.2. That committed, you can take this and deploy in my directly Jenkins job. I will do the in practical. Please will be clearly we understanding. First of all, you think about what is what. Okay, that's why purpose you can add the, you can use the parameterized builds. Uh, Give the another example. Developer every time change the code and commit the code in my Bitbucket server. You can add the new versions. One application can store in my Bitbucket server. You can update the, you can take the new version code, and that is a code you can add and commit to my Bitbucket server. That time you can select the tags and a particular version of the code. That time you can add the tags, you can directly you can take this new version of the tags, then directly will be deployed my Jenkins server. uh, One more example, you can use the parameterized builds. There are different environments will be running in my developers and QA environment, text environment, dev environment, production environment, pre-production environment. These are all different environment sections you can work on a developer. That way, can add the string parameters. I will show in where is it is stored. Okay. For example, real time questions. These are different environments. Okay. Uh, I have one more example in real time example, and your project is working. I want to use the same job in different missions. I want to use the same job in different missions, but I don't want to change the configurations. For examples, open the my Jenkins server. See, this is my Jenkins server. For example, consumer banking project I am working. Wasn't working in this project. Same job, different same job. You can take this. Don't change the any configuration sections. Change. You can take the same job. Then you can reply the. You can execute the each time of label parameter can run the different missions. Like you can add the different agent nodes. You can add the different nodes will be added and QA environments will be added. That's why you can add this build node label parameters plugin. Then you can change the different agent nodes, different multiple servers. You can attach this. Same purpose will we do this. These are all advantages we'll be using in parameterized plugins. Okay, I think clear, guys. Okay, I will show the practicals. Okay, first of all, open my Jenkins server. This is my Jenkins server. Login. Login my Jenkins server. Into my Jenkins server. Create the new jobs. Go to the new item. I will choose the required plugins. This is one of the using required plugins will be using. Where will be using? I will show that. First of all, plugin name is git parameter. Okay, git parameter plugin. I will share the description also. Don't worry. And go to my Jenkins job. I will show it. Go to the manage Jenkins. Then go to manage plugins. Search this. I think my case already installed. Search the install. Your case, go to the available section. Select the git. Sorry. Git. Error. Yeah, this plugin will be installed. First of all, there is a required plugin. First of all, you can install these plugins and go through all the details. Click on that plugin name. You can choose this all the documentation. You can write the different pipelines also. Use this code. Select this code. You can run the pipeline code also. Okay, I will show this today how to configure the freestyle jobs in, and later on I will discuss about pipeline scriptings. Okay, first of all you can select the new item. So write the job name, tax parameter. Okay, select the freestyle job and click on OK. Can write the something, write the description part, write the something. Uh, in your case, anything you will be written in, and select the this. See, project will be parameterized. I will share all the details in description. See this is a different parameters, boolean parameters, choice parameters, file parameters, git parameters, and like string parameters. There are different see, run the different environmentals and different parameters. You can run this types of the parameters. See different types of the parameters. See these are types of the parameters. See there is a required plugin will be installed. Git parameter, select it. Select the name of the parameters. You can write the something, anything. Tags, you can write the description. These are optional. You can write this in. type of the tags and can add the value 1.0. This is a version of the tags. Anything you can add. This is the optional required to data value. Then go to the my source code management. You can add this my developer. This is most important. Whenever you can run the projects, working the real-time projects, many developers who can push the code in my Bitbucket server. You can add the different versions. That URL will be copy. I will show that this is my Bitbucket server. There is a no tags. Go to the another jobs. This is my case different jobs where is running. A number of repositories. Select the sample project. I think this is a use tags. No, there is no tags. Okay. I think can add the different tags. Yeah, see, this is a three tags will be adding, and v1.1, v1.0, v1.1. These are all add the commit IDs. Can attach the commit IDs. You can store in my Bitbucket server and clone this URL. Copy this URL. Can add the my Bitbucket and under the git using the repository URL and add the Bitbucket credential. Then done, configuration done. Once you can save. See, build with parameters. Okay. Actually anything you can job add this option with only build option will be displayed. Only you can add the parameterized, use it to the build with parameterized and click on this. See, all the tags will be displayed. For example, this is a very important. For example, I will take the v1.2. This committed will be taken today requirement. I will apply all the code and this tag section. You can select this and build. Yeah, my job should be here is. Yeah, select this, go to the console output. See, that commit will be running finished successfully. That's why purpose is a main requirement, and can add the number of tags, number of committed is. You can add this in your Git repository project. You can take the single committed, you can add the Git tags and a particular version of the code. You can add it with the tag IDs. Can take this only one point particular requirement tag IDs, then will be shown directly my Jenkins job should be triggering. Okay guys, clear? I think all of the clear. I will definitely share all the thing in documentation. I have another scenario. You can run the different environments. How is it is? Okay, go to the new items. NP the freestyle job. Something, anything you can write this now. No problem. You can write the something environment. And select this. Yeah, this is add the. You can run the shell script project and you can add the string parameterized. For example, today requirement run the QA environment and dev environment, text environment. That case, you can write the shell scripting, anything you can execute the particular environments. So it is name of the environments and default value. For example, default dev environments. Run the okay. Then go to this. You can write the shell scripting and select the execute the shell. Then echo run this. See, by default dev environment you can run the my job and build the job and go to the console output. There is something one code mistake. Can execute the dev environments. You can run the anything stage environments can build this. Yeah, run the staging environments and go to the console output. We say environment system file Jenkins command execute file. Go to this console, go to the environmentals and check this configuration section. think write this. Okay, that is a code issue, no problem. Okay, pattern is a this type of all the things. Write the different environmentals. You can select this anything. Select the build parameters. You can add the QA environment, text environment, build environment, anything you can write. You can build the your source code and directly that environment variable you can should be the your code should be executed. Is a text environments. Okay guys, I hope all are clear the all the configurations. I think some mistake coding, write the different environments. By default select this, that's why problem. Yeah, procedure is the same thing and something error in my by default you can select this another plugin. That's why issue. I think by default you can select the this option. By default is selected some issue in my configurations. Okay, you can try this. You can your cases will definitely do this. Okay guys, bye. Thank you. I will share the documents description. Please go through and everything. I will share the video definitely. Okay guys, bye. Thank you. Good night. Bye.